Right, welcome back to the channel. So after last time's wheel disaster, I have had the wheels powder coated, not powder coated, shot blasted and acid dipped by Powder Tech. Cost 60 quid, which is not money that I wanted to spend. However, now they're ready for paint. Today I'm going to be fitting coilovers and hopefully sorting the wheels out once and for all. So it'll probably come in two different videos, one for coilovers, one for wheels. Might not be a lot of footage because I'm getting my mother to paint the wheels while I do the coilovers. I went for the Stance Plus coilovers simply because I knew somebody who was running them on their estate and they said they were quite good. I was going to go for Johns because they're cheaper, however this is what I've ended up with. To be fair, looking at the build quality of them, they're not too bad for 200 quid. So this video will probably be a lot of time lapses and a lot of this is now done, so look at it, because I'm going to be too busy to film. However, hopefully by the end of today, wheels will be halfway finished and I'll finally have coilovers. So quick update on coilovers. Best side's done, fitted. Not that low, to be honest, but that is the standard 15-inch wheels and mine are 18 to go on, and that's still with the adjuster in, but we're going to leave it like that for now, and then once the wheels are fitted, work out if we're going to take the adjuster out or keep it in. So one more side to go and then the front, and then that should be that for the coilovers. Quick wheel update. Finished masking one off. Masking's taking ages because obviously I'm trying to paint them as if they are splits, but they're not splits, they're fake. So the masking needs to be spot on. Once we've got them all masked, we'll give them a clean and then we'll try the wrinkle paint and see what happens. The wheels are probably going to take a while just because there's so many layers to them, but I'll update you on all the steps. I just wanted to drop a quick clip in here just to explain what's going on. So basically, obviously with the heat, we were getting the original shock out. With putting the shock back in, if you haven't got the proper split tool, you have to basically bash a chisel in to open it up to drop the strut in. What essentially happened with us is when we try to drop the strut in, there's a little notch on the bottom of the strut and that got caught in the hole. I've got a little picture of it so you can see. So we essentially had to then take it all back out, split the bottom joint again and then try and drop it in. Once we'd nailed the technique once, however, the other side was a bit of a dawdle. So obviously in this picture that you've just seen, the little clip, the strut isn't all the way in. However, obviously now they're fitted, it is all the way in. Right, so all of the wheels have now been painted in wrinkle. Luckily it's about 21 degrees outside, so it should be warm enough for them to dry anyway. Once they're dry, stage 2. Right, coilover installation complete. Absolute pain in the fucking ass on the front, to be honest. But they're done. It is looking quite low. Problem is, these are obviously the littler wheels. When I put the bigger wheels on, it'll probably sit just about right. But yeah, that's that. A lot harder than I wanted it to be, but they're on, sorted. And then we'll just adjust the heights as time goes on. Obviously the back looks really low, but it's on the lowest setting. So we'll see. And then hopefully in the next video, wheels are finished and you can see it with the wheels on. this is where we're currently at with the wheels, just painting the lips a gloss black. It is still quite bumpy, but we're painting them outside, so that's just how it is. Wait for these to dry, and then hopefully they'll look loads better than they used to anyway. So this is the grand wheel reveal. They've turned out pretty well considering they're at home, out of a can, in the garden job. There's a few little bits that we're going to need to just touch up that's come off. But other than that, spot on. I've got some fake little bolts to go in as well, but I'll update them when I stick them in and put them on the car. So yeah, looking good.